it's hard when my mom kicked me out. I'm just 13. That's all, but she doesn't understand. Ooh, there's a big home. That looks like a daycare. I'm gonna go check it out. Wow, this looks like a daycare and a restaurant. Oh, she said hi. I'm gonna go. Hi. Where's the fence go? Whatever. Let's see what she says. Oh, she's asking me, what are you doing here? Can I live with you? My mom kicked me out. Oh, she said yes. Yay! Can I come inside? That house looks really pretty. I want to go inside. Ooh. What was she saying? Meh. I want to go inside. She's saying, do you... Well, what's want? What? Do you want something? I'm gonna say I'm hungry. Maybe she speaks Spanish and she's trying to speak English. I don't mind. I mean, sometimes she is learning. So she's going to give me some food. Yay, food. Wait, there's someone right there. Wait, let me tell her to look behind her. He looks scary. Wait, don't open them. Okay. Whoa, this kitchen is really pretty. I like your modern kitchen. It's really pretty. Oh, she's saying come. Whoa, this is a mini restaurant. Like I said, this restaurant looks like the one in Adopt Me Street. It's really pretty. Me and my mom moved in Bloxburg. She sold me for $1 million. Whoa, she wants me to go in the car. I guess I can go in the car and get for a ride. I can trust her that way. I wonder where she's driving me to. Oh, that's my mom's house. I'm scared because it's their neighbors. I'm gonna just see where she's going. She took me to this fancy furniture. Oh, she's taking me to the Pizza Planet. I thought to the fancy furniture. Let's see what she's gonna do. I'm kind of hungry though. Ooh, she's gonna order some food. Yay, let's see what she's gonna order. Oh, she ordered 2 sodas and 2 pizzas for me and her. Yay! Yummy. I'm gonna go inside the car. I'm excited to eat the food when we get home. Yay, we're gonna eat all the delicious food. I'm gonna go in. Let's go in, Mama. I called her Mama. Yay. She looks like my mom too. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my pizza and... Yummy. I'm gonna drink my soda. This is delicious. Thank you so much. Should I ask her for her name? Oh, she's saying, do you like it? Of course. I loved it. I'm gonna ask her where my bed is. Where's my bed? Oh, she said come. She's probably gonna show me where the beds are. Oh. Whoa. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I like black. Black is my favorite color. Ooh, there's a computer. I want to... let's play ping pong. Yeah, let's play ping pong. Oh, she said something. Ooh, she said come. Oh, where is she going? Oh, she turned off the lights. Oh, she's gone down. Okay, she turned off. It's too dark. I'm scared. Are we going outside? Wait, I think I saw someone. I saw someone. I'm scared. I saw him. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. I saw him. Wait, he's talking to someone. I'm scared. I'm gonna just sit in the car. I'm scared. I'm scared, Mama. Okay. I'm scared. Where are we driving in the middle of the night? Oh, where are we going? I'm gonna ask her. Where are we going? It's so dark. What are we doing in the nighttime? It's so scary. I'm gonna see what she needs. To hide? What? Oh my god. Why, Mom? Why? Why are we hiding? I'm scared. No. What do you mean, no? I'm scared. Oh, okay. I'm scared. I wonder where she's going to take me now. I don't know what we're hiding from, but I'm scared. She's saying I know where to go. Where, Mom? I'm going to go in the car. We're going all over the places. I don't know. I'm just scared. She's driving really fast. Oh my god, it's so fast. It's too windy. I'm going to ask her to close the window. Wait. Where are we? Mom, where are we? I'm scared. We're at the spring clean store. Are we working here? I'm scared, Mom. I'm scared. She's telling me to sit. I guess I can sit. I'm scared, Mama. What will we do to entertain ourselves? And I'm super scared. I'm scared. I want to leave. What's happening, Mom? I'm scared. Help me. Something here. Something. I'm going to go somewhere. You stay here. Or you can call me. Okay, Mom. I'm scared. Here. She gave me something. Bye, Mom. I'll miss you. I'm scared. She said bye. There's nothing to do here. Let's ask the owner. Hi. What are we hiding from? So there's a virus spreading. It's called the coronavirus, and there's some other stuff happening. And we all have to hide because there's a tornado coming, a hurricane, and all this bad luck. So, please hide in that storage right there. Or you can just leave my store.
And by the way, sweetie, I don't think that's the right place to hide. The coronavirus is coming. Like, it can go anywhere right now. So, the best hiding spot to do where is to hide in a clean shop that's old. So get out of my shop because I don't want to get corona.
I'm just got to get out of here. I have to call Mom because she's has to pick me up. Mom, Green Queen kicked me out because of coronavirus. Come pick me up. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Excuse me, young lady. Can you go like far away from me, please?
Mom has to pick me up. I'm scared. Where is she? Oh, there's a lot of people. Corona. Where is she gone to? I think that's my mom. I'm scared. Okay, we're driving back to the house. I'm scared. Thanks, Mom, for picking me up. I'm scared. Mom, I'm scared. I just am, okay? Let's watch the news.
Breaking news. There is going to be a big tornado and a big hurricane coming our way. Better seek shelter, or else you might die in the hurricane tornado. Seek shelter now. Mom, the news is crazy. We have to
Find a shelter. We have to find somewhere to seek shelter. We have to hide. I'm worried. We have to move since we don't have any shelter. I'm worried. We have to go. 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 I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Mom, why are we at an airport? It's so big and tons of people. Come. Okay. I'm scared. Mom, I'm scared. I have to go sit in my seat. I'm scared. Where's my mom going? Oh, hi. How are you? You nice to be my friend. Of course. I have to sit in my seat. Ma'am, you have to find your seat too. Only if it's next to me. I'm scared. Wait, where's my mom? She's up all the way over there. Oh my god. Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Hello everyone. We are the crew members. We'll be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy! Ooh, these yummy sandwiches do look good. I'm gonna eat them later. I ate breakfast before coming here. But the hurricane was scary. Let's see if it's outside though. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo, Mama. I'm allergic to mayo. I have to find my suitcase. Someone found my suitcase. That's good. I'm safe and sound. Where's my mom? Oh, my mom is here. I'm a hugger. Good afternoon to all passengers. I am formally Rich and in stable attitude. It will be a good time to sit back and take. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We will have a few hours to go. Why is everyone standing here? I'm gonna see outside. What thing? Oh my not time to sit down. We gotta hurry. Somehow the snakes are gone. Oh God. That was weird. And the snakes are gone, thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Mask will take one as fast as we can. Oh my God. We're alive. I'm gonna be alive. Yeah. Oh no, my friends. No, wait. No. Oh. Oh my God. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Ah! Oh my God, I'm scared. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save. I found a pair of scissors. I'ma cut the blue cable. Oh my God, I'm scared. Back up. Oh my God. No, I killed him. Mom, don't be such a... We have to go with them. Whatever you say, Mom. I'm scared. We haven't heard in the crew for a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. I would check it, because I'm brave enough. Are they here? I gotta check. We never know. Oh my God, I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. We gotta go. We gotta alert it. We gotta alert him. Oh my God, I'm scared. Mom, it's just you and me. I'm scared. It's locked. The code. We need to find the code. We gotta find the code. Open it. Oh my God, that scared me. Oh, it's the creature, honey. Be brave. We can kill him. You will pay for what you've done. You think you're here on accident, but you're not. I brought you here, all of you. Mom, help. See you in the afterlife. What's happening? Oh my God, the captain is unconscious. Oh no, danger. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? We need to find the autopilot button. Click everything and find the button before we die. We did it. We saved the plane. Has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. But Mom, it's a tornado and hurricane. We can't just leave. All we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. And the two girls are too. Don't worry. We will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are all okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we traced their location and we are taking control. There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat beside the captain. Go, Mommy, go! Okay, everyone, I got this. Yay, go, Mommy, go, Mommy! What happened? Oh, no. Mom, be careful. Mwah-ha-ha-ha-ha. You humans are funny. You're destiny has already been written. Last chance. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. Don't do this, Mom. Yay, she's not doing it. I'm saving the plane for me and my daughter. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you will see me. Ha 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 ha.